Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to introduce a new product we have that's called the Rip Strip. And before I tell you what this is all about, let's do a quick view of the evolution of this process of setting up for the long rip configuration on the dashboard. Initially we had the universal setup block, which is also used for setting up crosscuts, and it has 3 active sides. One of which is for crosscut, and one is for vertical cuts on the long rip setup, one is for bevel cuts indicated by the triangle. So this is the USB with which most of you are familiar. We have recently begun sending this updated one, and it's the same thing. It just has a little wider surface on the vertical cuts side. The reason we did that is that some people were not comfortable with how close this original one put the guide rail to the track stars and outriggers, even though it does leave clearance for the thickest of track star blades, made some people nervous. So it works fine, but we came along with the second generation, which is the same part, and it just has these little 4 little nubs that pushes the guide rail a little bit farther away from the track star. So keeping in line with that, if you are using the dashboard with outriggers, it's a bit more convenient to have a point of reference that's a little farther apart from center. Because if you're just using track stars, the more I've worked with this and the more we've thought about it, you can only get them, if you have track stars and outriggers, you can only get them so far away from center, and it just feels like it would be a little more comfortable to have a different point of reference that's farther away from center. So the Rip Strip has the same functions as the USB. 2 sides. One is for vertical cuts, one is for beveled cuts, and a little tab here. So this simply pops in to your outrigger just like that, and I'll do this other one down here. And then you'll just pull your rail up against that reference point when you're setting up, tighten your track stars, and then you're in business. So this is the Rip Strip. It is just a new way of setting up your rail for long cuts, and thanks for watching.